This is just a video on how I replace the rubber valve stems on my 2020 Harley Davidson Triglide and replaced them with steel valve stems from Tucker-Rocky. Also, I cleaned up both sides of the rims super clean so that when I got them back from the shop I could inspect the wheels, both sides, to see if the shop had done any marring, scarring, and barring. And also to see where they place the new weights and compared to where the old weights were located, and to see if they added weight or subtracted weight during the spin balance. So here I am inspecting the rim for any marks or something. I'm getting ready to take it up to the shop, and I cleaned it up really good, and I just want to, when I get it back from the shop, I'll inspect it again in case they messed it up in any which way. And here I am just making a note of where the weights are and close to the valve stem there. And there's 8 weights on there, and the total weight of the 8 weights was 1.44 ounces. And I'll check it when they get back. So what I did was I marked this wheel with a yellow dot to indicate it had the 8 weights on it. And then I took the other wheel and I marked it with a white dot. It only has 4 weights on it, and each weight is 5 grams. I just got home from Les Schwab. Got my new steel valve stems installed on both tires right there. I bought these steel valve stems from the local Harley Davidson dealer here in town about a year ago, and then I'm just now getting around to have them installed. Make sure there's no blurring, scarring, or marring. And everything looks good all the way around. No blurring, marring, or scarring on that guy. Everything looks good on the whole rim. Just flip it over and check it out. Okay. Yep. No blurring, marring, or scarring. They took the weights off right here, as you can see, where the old weights were off, to get that off there, and they put new weights on there. And, right, there's 4 of them on there. And on this one we have no marring, blurring, marring, or scarring on this rim either. Looks pretty darn good. And everything looks good on the inside. They did a great job as far as I can see. Let's flip it over here. Yeah, look here. Look at there where they put the new 3 of them there. And I'll have to do a little mathematics there. And yeah, these look good too. Don't look like they messed with this guy too much either. All right, there you have it. Use this general purpose adhesive cleaner, and I'll spray a little bit on that one and a little bit on that one right there. Let it set for a few minutes and then peel it off. Okay, we ready? I'll spray a little bit on there. There. Over here. Spray a little bit on here. Then you want to get it off, don't they? Okay, we'll let it set for a few minutes and we'll try to peel it off. All right, it's been on there for about a minute. Let's see if it peels off. It's starting to get gooey. Not quite where you want it though, but it's coming. You can see. All right. Now, let's let it sit for a little while longer. I think I'll spray a little bit more on there. What do you say? Oh yeah, look at that. She's coming off big time now. Don't you hate this stuff? I hate this adhesive stuff. I brought this adhesive spray a long time ago and used it over the years, and it just works great. All right. Now let's wipe that with a rag, see if we can get any better. Still. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Okay. This little line is having a hard time right here. I think I'll hit it one more time with the adhesive stuff. Okay, I got the 2 tires back from the shop with the new steel valve stem, and they put different weights on there. There's the new steel valve stem right there, and the new weights. The old weights were up here, up there, and they put the new weights down there. We had 1.4 ounces of weight there, and down here now we've got exactly 1 ounce of weight, and that's on the yellow dot one. Now we go over here to the white dot, which one I marked before I left, and it had 0.7 ounces of weight. Now we have 0.75, so not much difference there. And the weights were right there before, so it was pretty close to the same spot.